I'm a future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
We done. Yeah, guys, only power to put in. You see me? Smash that lime on the only power to put in. You see me?
That's where good girl and
Pick up
dirty
the good girl Abby.
and dirty boy Capo, yeah.
On the 24th.
You're good. Right into my birthday, like.
My crush on 24, you know.
24, baby. It's my birthday!
Who you know turned 24 today?
Abby Atas.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Coming from me and say, Capo!
Morning people, hello, people. Today, good girl, very answer here, guys. After you know, nasty get up, I'ma get up and wake up, I can jump back and sleep, you know. And the boy, you know, we are up for good girl do her face and so and know, so today a good girl birthday. You know, so the boy bad
I wake up at 5:30 this morning.
Yeah, and I went back to sleep
and bed.
And kept on drop back asleep and sleep all long. After 8 now, I was supposed to leave 11 o'clock.
You need the rest.
So I'm gonna do my face now, guys. So you know.
I'm do my face now, guys. I'll say bye soon, you know that. She was up, cause the fan do other on every night time. And all this morning people, my nose could be.
Hello, baby, hello. So the good girl just don't do her face, and so you know, me not really go too much, you know, cause when time I reach down, I have to go wipe all of this off, and then my dirty sister could try and do my face, and so yeah.
She try the face, she gonna beat the face, yeah.
I don't know what she gonna do, you know, but she gonna do something on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have on a lip gloss and a lipstick, yeah, you know.
And it looks so nice.
Yeah, good cherry lips. I grow back in them cherry lips. When they get big, I'm grow it out, and them I know it'll come back in.
Oh. The last side is though.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be there now.
Yeah, guys, I got all that fresh and then we're gonna jump in our clothes and so.
So now I got to see our new clothes after 1, 2, 3.
Come!
Yeah.
With the outfit, yeah.
Brooklyn, New York.
Come, with our shoes over there. You watch I sell me. I'm a dirty boy, damn I'm not buy nothing.
So you
not buy nothing from your dirty damn.
Automatically turn a birthday gift, I guess.
Yeah, automatically turn birthday gift so.
Yeah, so we're gonna
yeah, good girl go fix her hair. So guys, right now, I'm gonna take 2 pictures across the road because good girl have to jump out of the sweater, yeah, you know. It's hard. But you know, good girl, you already plan for wear it, and so.
So how should look, guys? How should look? Where's that going? What's that going with? Spin round, yeah, show them how really going around there. Yeah. You look shorty, have you?
Yeah, but the camera have them, but
yeah, look big.
Which part, which angle?
Yeah, so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Wow, I'll take some picture now. Well,
yeah, I'll take some picture, so
yeah.
just stay tuned. It's some kind of food.
Need to go now.
Some kind of food. My baby. I love my son, people. That's why I understand how much we love my son. Son. This is my son. So guys, when a good girl just want to say thanks for all the birthday wishes. I said, hey, watch out. We go before hotel, hotel things like Jesus. Someone would have gone to say another video. So, 3, 2, 1.
Hi Abby, it's your boy Quiet Perry, and I heard you were a fan of me. However, it's your special day and I want to big you up from one Scorpio to the next girl, okay? Big up your nice clean self on your birthday, okay? I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you stay blessed, okay? And I just want to wish you many good things, okay? From your boy QP and your nice little man girl. Yeah, I even text and tell me, but yeah, big him up too. But yeah, big up on your birthday girl, okay? Alrighty, bye now. Off.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Big up yourself, go there, done all the things. Set big up a nice, clean self. Yeah, much love on your birthday. Bye. Happy birthday to Abby. Happy birthday to you. Big up yourself, Abby, on your birthday. Big up yourself, good girl. Big up yourself. I love you. So guys, I'm gonna leave my son right now again. People don't know the story. I don't know the story of my son. So I don't want to really left him nowhere like again. You know, aside from me in the old boys about the time, so sweater too, baby too, at us. Mama son, Mama come back here. Mama coming back here. Mama gonna send someone to take care of you. Save you. Mama baby, save you.
I said I've already back home at the house, but the pan way now I go to country.
Yeah, and you're a good girl, because I have a banana sale, banana club.
Yeah, to see that. So we there still, we are going all out and we're telling them to reach and thing, you know?
Turn right.
Yeah, so at our destination. Yeah, that means that some people use wrong arm. Look how easy we reach. Guys, it's alright before riot and I'm careless. So guys, just remember, so when you guys coming here, if you're coming to, what you call it, Ocean Spring, that's over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wanna just use the waves, GPS.
The waves.
If you use the up and that's when you're going on Rocky Road, do not go on that road. Beauty mode.
Yeah, guys, so you know the good girl and so a dirty camera there.
Yeah, back at it again, people. So
Back at
finally
it
reach,
again.
you know, I said before. So see there?
Yeah, guys, but we are waiting for one another sister, you know, that's why we're not reaching yet, you know.
Yeah, so we are
But
going
yeah.
to some time.
We're going to have some time, you know, good girl have a snap to picture phone, panogram.
Okay.
If you don't follow good girl, panogram right in, I don't make it, so I'll be at us.
Yeah, man,
And so...
Yes, guys. So right now I take some picture. So I take some picture now, people. Yeah, so we actually reach. We're gonna check in and thing after this.
Are them this?
Oh, I will sister come. So yeah, so we are going now. And then man. Hey!
You know, Charlie. Yeah, guys, people look for me, I guess so. People look for that video, look for it too.
Don't.
And who older? Who look older?
She shouldn't be ashamed.
No, you for be ashamed, because you look a bit so. You fit for me.
When the match out, do Abby? Yeah, mama match out.
She watch out, watch out. Yeah. Look how for who I'm going to never tell me. Oh my God. You want to watch that?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here, what the hell?
My God.
Oh boy. Abby get present, people. Get present.
She give me chocolate though. She know me tell lose weight, you know. But she want to get fat, you know.
Take time and eat.
Micah, what go on?
Yeah, guys, I'm about now we have to go to look. Well, we have to go to luggage, and so.
My boyfriend.
Yeah, but what we there?
Coral. What there? I might tell no.
It's a nice thing,
Coral, whatever, spring. This is my next.
Yes, people, so no good girl right there, so left everybody back at me, you know, because I don't know no good girls still. Good girl have to take a rest. Yes, a darky, good girl have to show, yeah, bright. I can't believe I pay for it here. I'm supposed to can't afford the people that say, watch them too there,
Well,
I can't afford
I need to come out hotel.
At least to step in the building, that's
Come,
true.
I'll if you not get to go room actually there though.
Yeah.
That's what you tell me not go do. I come
Right,
out
that's
hotel,
what-
I'll if you come parking, you're parking lot on the move, we call it so.
Alright guys, so we just get a room number, so right, lad Jesus I telling you, 11:40, but I was telling you we're going about our business, yeah.
I like when they have to stay.
We're not gonna come check with them, nuh-uh. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, when they come over here, so, them give you the hand sanitizer, so me here, so, keep on of you.
Keep it, you know?
Keep
sanitize
it clean,
and
keep
thing,
it
yeah, man.
clean, yeah.
Check out the drip. Check out the drip. Have to check out the drip
Is
after
it?
your banana drip. What should I try say, guys? What me and she? Which one of your clothes better right now? Brooklyn I don't a town Kingston. You might think I joke.
So guys, we just make a reservation also, right? So reservation at 9 o'clock and we reach later after 5 now I go to 6 o'clock guys. So you know, good girl have to just hurry up, get ourselves together also.
Hi guys, Big Sis is here.
You look like I look a picture with them two something up there, sir. Yeah, over here, nice. I said, guys, I go tour up backside. Over here, nice. I not tell lie. The pool coming like a beach. You know, talk to Coral Spring. What name? Ocean Coral Spring. H10 something something. Right in there, so we're going. Watch me lane.
Alright, so guys, me I'll be there out there now one thing. We're tired, but we have a long night ahead of us.
Guys,
right?
the reservation is at 9 o'clock. So you know, good girl have to come out and so. But bad, we close, we change. We not even get close, we not even get close also.
For real, go here though, for real. So,
Oh, that video, me look sexy. So you go down there, so.
yeah, cock up. Yeah. Brooklyn wine. You mean? When I go to the room tour soon, so don't ask it. I might see before you see that video.
Oh, no, I was there, so yeah. When you can't the room tour about the first day, I know we ever check in later, so a good girl go fixing up. Yeah.
So make sure you send a video them to Abby for your birthday. Yeah.
Most I want to say, you know, come see some video I come in from now. Most I want to say, we come with
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Abby. Hope you enjoyed it to the fullest. Long life. And big up to Dirty Cafe in the background. And the same always my background. Yeah, bye.
Happy birthday, Abby. Wish you many, many more. Badness straight up. And so.
Yeah, people. So I'm not see again really fast. So just know say I'm not see right now.
So guys, them just tell us the reservation. We'll make the restaurant. They don't want me to do. Oh, you must never know that. Oh, you must never know that. Lord Jesus. So tomorrow, no good girl, I forgot to celebrate all our birthday.
Officially, yeah.
Officially. You know, upon the 18th, I said, you know, good girl upon the 17th. But, you know, upon the 18th, I forgot to celebrate.
So what we're going to do right now, we're going to find some food to eat at this, we call it the sports bar. So
we're going to head down there. Capo, before we left out, we have to do one thing. What is that?
Mask on.
Oh, there.
So, you know, you don't know.
Yeah, right,
Have you the key?
yeah, right, sir. So guys, either Capo left the camera, you know, so everyone gone back for the camera. There's the Capo full, talk to you. What may I do with Capo? That's that.
So guys, currently at the restaurant right now. I'll be there, so I'll post a picture on Instagram.
Trying to follow me on the gram right now, yes, sir.
Yeah, I think already.
I thought the mom's on time. Yeah, I forgot.
Alright guys, so they are doing the soup. I'll be a drama going to tell people.
Birthday to you, happy. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Wait. Happy birthday to girl, happy birthday. I wish you many more years. Period. Give me that.
Alright guys. So you want the people? I'll be trying to get fish and chips, you know. Oh look here. I'll be getting fish and plant and strips. Same thing with our brother. Yeah, that's for goat and rice, you know guys. So
Pretty good.
yes. So yeah. And also Michael. So guys, we're outside right now, cause you know why?
People cool like killing at the
Oh
restaurant.
my god man, in the cold.
You know what
You know, yeah, but in a sense, guys, we actually have a restaurant, I serve food, and in there cold. The food freeze at the company, my counter says freeze.
Guys, we'll go on to the restaurant.
Yeah. Seafood, everywhere cold at night time in a place, everywhere cold, guys. Everywhere cold, but okay.
So people will come in and want different restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Good girl just drink some rum cream and good girl tips in a blow, tips to right through. People don't drink if you're not over the age of 23.
People?
Yeah.
Drunk, look at Smirnoff again.
I don't swear now, but rum cream.
Oh, we're at the drum cream, yeah.
Dirty boy, you drunk or you drink
Oh, me good man. Yeah. As usual, I have to take out something plate, as per usual. I feel a birthday still, so why not? Alright guys, so Abby now beat out and mash up people. I go walk about the room now because we have other things to do. Abby tired and beat out guys, she wants to sleep because she drank rum cream earlier and I lick her chip as usual, so I go away now.
People were just reaching.
Look on Abby guys, Abby tired out, you know?
Tired and drunk at it. Jesus Christ,
she's drunk out.
Christ. Look at rum cream, don't drink, don't drink.
We're supposed to drink some more liquor and sitting there. But Abby can't manage that.
We're supposed to do a little celebration because you know today a good girl birthday, but everything I can say tomorrow when time good girl, alright. Put off and some, because enough things go wrong in us, so but I don't mind, I just try to enjoy myself. Yeah guys, so we girl go wipe off some makeup here, and we maybe end up in a pool.
I don't know yet.
Oh, they so?
So now, you know what I'm going to
I want to subscribe for the video. Yeah, make sure to go over to the channel. I can't go over the TV. We will go over to ABBI'S for this. So the good girl.
And don't forget go over to Capos TV and subscribe.
Dirty boy named Capo.
Yes, so we are going to discuss about man probably going to the pool right now. I'm going to show you.
We had to follow up on Instagram. Don't worry, especially on a good girl right now. Don't make the Instagram good girl post some nice things.
Yeah.
Get your hands
out there. Follow up on Instagram, people.
Yeah, I'm the Atas.
And follow me, of course, at
I am Cappuccino. Come. Dogs. I can't do that.
Let's tell you,
Hi, Abby.
It's your boy Quite Perry.
Abby, man, no.
Yeah, that is alright. So that's what we go wipe your ball. So that's
funny, I wanna go. That's funny though.
Come here, watch your family, say my name, I'm just
Okay, so now we are gonna say, we are gonna jacuzzi. Yeah, the pool so cold right now.
yeah, we're not gonna go, baby, we have to swim.
I go swim, man. But not swim. Just in a jacuzzi, go cool out.